We will see how to check usability of carbon steel piping materials below minus 29 degrees Celsius as per ASME B 31.3. Carbon steel piping materials are not recommended to use below minus 29 degrees Celsius temperature. Below minus 29 degrees Celsius temperature, either LTCS piping materials or SS piping materials should be used depending on temperature. But in some cases, situation happens when temperature of carbon steel pipeline goes below minus 29 degrees Celsius and it is permitted in ASME 31.3 to use carbon steel piping materials below minus 29 degrees Celsius temperature based on stress ratio. Now we will see how ASME 31.3 permits use of carbon steel piping materials below minus 29 degrees Celsius temperature. This is figure 323.2.2b of ASME B31.3, which indicates reduction of minimum design metal temperature without impact testing based on stress ratio. This side is stress ratio and this side is temperature reduction in degree Celsius. For example, if stress ratio is zero point 0.6, then about 22 degree Celsius temperature reduction is possible. That means carbon steel piping material can be used 22 degree Celsius below minus 29 degree Celsius. The stress ratio is defined as the maximum of the following. Number 1 is nominal pressure trace based on minimum pipe wall thickness less allowance divided by S means allowable stress at the design minimum temperature. Number 2 is for piping components with pressure rating, the pressure for the condition under consideration divided by the pressure rating at the design minimum temperature. And number 3 is combined longitudinal stress due to pressure, dead weight and displacement strain divided by S means allowable stress at the design minimum temperature. So, to use carbon steel piping materials below minus 29 degrees Celsius, we have to calculate these three stress ratios and then we will have to consider maximum value of stress ratio for deriving temperature reduction from the curve. Now let us take an example. Say one 8-inch API 5L grade B carbon steel ERW pipe is used for liquid carbon dioxide service having design pressure of 30 kg per centimeter square gauge and design temperature of minus 25 degrees Celsius. Sometimes liquid carbon dioxide gets subcooled and its temperature goes to minus 45 degrees Celsius. We have to check whether we can use this carbon steel line at minus 45 degrees Celsius temperature. Now thickness calculation of this 8-inch line as per ASME B 31.3. Thickness of 8-inch line T equals to PD by 2AC plus 2PY. P equals to design pressure equals to 30 kg per centimeter square gauge. D equals to OD of 8-inch pipe equals to 220 millimeter equals to 22 centimeter. S equals to allowable stress of API 5L grade B pipe as per ASME 31.3 equals to 20 KSI equals to 20 into 1000 into 0.0703 equals to 1406 kg per centimeter square. E equals to joint efficiency equals to 0.85 for ERW pipe. Y equals to 0.4 as per ASME B 31.3. So T equals to 30 into 22 divided by 2 into 1406 into 0.85 plus 2 into 30 into 0.4 equals to 0.27 centimeter equals to 2.7 millimeter. Considering minus 12.5% negative manufacturing tolerance and 1.5 millimeter corrosion allowance, minimum thickness equals to 2.7 plus 1.5 divided by 0.875 equals to 4.8 millimeter. So selected thickness for 8-inch pipe is schedule 20 equals to 6.35 mm. Now we have to calculate three stress ratios. Number 1, stress ratio based on minimum pipe wall thickness less allowances. Minimum pipe wall thickness less allowances equals to 6.35 mm into 0.875, considering minus 12.5% negative manufacturing tolerance minus 1.5 millimeter as corrosion allowance equals to 4.05 mm. So, nominal pressure stress equals to PD by 2T equals to 30 into 220 divided by 2 into 4.05 equals to 815 kg per centimeter square. So, stress ratio based on nominal pressure stress equals to nominal pressure stress divided by allowable stress S equals to 815 divided by 1406 equals to 0.57. Then number 2, stress ratio on pressure rating. Since pipeline is of carbon steel as per API 5L grade B, flanges are of ASTM A105 and valves are of ASTM A216 grade WCB. And since design pressure is 30 kg per centimeter square gauge, rating of flange and valve is 300 pound. As per ASME B 16.5, 300 pound flange is workable up to 51.5 kg per centimeter square gauge. So, stress ratio based on pressure rating equals to design pressure divided by maximum allowable pressure equals to 30 divided by 51.5 equals to 0.58. Then number 3 is stress ratio based on combined longitudinal stress due to pressure, dead weight and displacement strain. Combined longitudinal stress can be calculated by pipe stress analysis, and stress ratio equals to combined longitudinal stress divided by allowable stress S. We can keep this ratio within 0.58 by providing additional supports if required. Hence, from three stress ratios, we can consider maximum stress ratio as 0.58. Now, from this curve, we can see that for stress ratio of 0.58, temperature reduction of 24 degrees Celsius is possible. That means this carbon steel line can be used for temperature 24 degrees Celsius below minus 29 degrees Celsius. That means this line can be used up to minus 53 degrees Celsius temperature.